Shell Lubricants really likes to understand how our oils perform in the actual equipment that our customers use.
PC11 stands for Proposed Category 11. It's the developmental name of what becomes the future API specification, API CK4 and FA4. CK4 and FA4 allow Shell to have a range of products that are designed for 2017 model year vehicles and beyond. FA4 gives Shell the opportunity to have a new product offering that provides improved fuel economy relative to the traditional viscosity grades.
FA4 will provide you 3 benefits: fuel economy, durability, as well as fit for purpose for the performance of the engine.
Testing our products in a real-world environment allows Shell to gain experience with our products in a variety of conditions that we can't find in the lab. So we can test in the different varieties of weather, we can test in different types of application, but also different types of service intervals. And those things you just can't recreate in the controlled intervals that you find in the lab.
In 2017, Shell will be in a position to offer Rotella products meeting both FA4 and CK4 into the market. The FA4 and CK4 products that Shell has developed will be among the most robust technologies that we've worked on.